Here's the Zenvo. I'm sure we've all seen this car on YouTube. I want to call attention to some very unique carbon fiber work done on the side here. Spell out Zenvo in the carbon fiber. Taking a closer look. Interior, same carbon fiber work. I gotta say, I'm a big fan of the carbon fiber wheels as well. And then the amount of engineering that has gone into this rear wing and rear diffuser is truly incredible. This is a very unique car. Even in a paddock of unique cars, this is a very unique vehicle. Incredible carbon fiber work throughout, and a sporty yet practical build overall. Also, something to note, this is the first vehicle I've ever seen with semi-enclosed headlights. Kind of reminds me of a McLaren top air intake, or maybe a Lamborghini STO. But overall, unique design elements throughout, and the matching of carbon to paint is done fantastically. I do have my reservations about the color and the accents, but overall, a fantastic vehicle.